Okay, hi Aaron, this is Orion. Okay, say something to Aaron.
Can I just laugh? The good one. Hi, Aaron. Hi, Aaron. Thank you for this gift.
Gift.
Worth gift.
Gift.
Thank you for the gift worth 500 pesos. 500 pesos. This is worth it.
It's.
Thank you. Good.
What else?
I love it. I'm proud. This is 100, 500 pesos. 250 pesos each. For
Do not cover your face.
I'm not covering my fat. My face. So thank you. I love this. I put this in my bag.
Louder, please.
And this, I put this in my drink. This, I put this in my bag.
And
Like, that's all. Thank you.
Anilat, it's your turn.
Antang.
Sindilat.
Aba, kanya-kanyang pwesto, Ate May.
Hi, Aaron.
Si Baway, Ate May. Pinadamahiwagang bibig.
Come on.
Speechless, May.
First station. We don't know how to do it summer.
Huh?
I'm so sorry. We're not. I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say.
That's right. Right?
Hi,
Baway, Ate
Aaron.
May, baway.
I love you.
I love you, karon ba ikaw?
Aaron, we will make another video for you. I don't know what will be the
The
theme
theme.
or
Theme.
something. I don't know. It depends.
It's different.
It depends.
It depends.
Shut up, you.
You're fucking.
Mabuapil ni sa kuha ng pagpagsit.
Nang
Back to Aryan. Pucker.
talking.
Come on. You're pucker.
Oh my gosh, I don't have left. I don't have lipstick. I don't have lipstick. So I'm so sorry. I look so stressed because
your birthday.
it's my
Why you look
birthday,
so
right? But I look so stressed because of my visitors, my visitors. Sama natin ni so songo here. Yung songo ko nasa
Sige.
utak na.
Then, let's go home na.
Let's go. Grabe mga English ba? Nag-come siya sa drawer. Karon, let's go home na. Oh, sindilat. Come on.
Aaron, have a drink when we have a red.
Red horse.
Ikaw na ito bakit? Napati class. We have a class tomorrow. We need to go.
Okay. Oh, dapat. Sige na.
I want to sleep at the moon. Thank you.
Wait, how about Christian? Uy, ayaw i-disregard.
Christian, this is worth 500 pesos. I love you. This is worth it.
Samuel.
Oh,
Hi, Kristen.
Cici Songo is there. Oh. She's having a hemorrhage in her brain. Namumuong balat.
even a ridge.
Emerge.
Ridge.
Emerge.
Si May, ba naman English pa ako?
Wala ito, uman pa. So, dali na, Hansel, ikaw na po.
Ay, dito.
Kantahin na si Aaron. Iba, ay. Wala na?
No.
Oh, Kwan, wala, Aryan. Say goodbye to Aaron na lang.
Bye.
That's it?
I'm so stressed.
You are so stressed.
Songo.
Okay, guys.
Bye, Aaron.
Say bye to Aaron.
Bye.
Kahit bye, kaya na.
Bye na.
Hindi na masunggo.
Lagi?
Okay.
Nasaan ka?
Samuel.
Ano?
Si May, number niyo sa mong son si May.
Edge.
Si May.
Bye.